all the crystal charms and chains and frames. I'm gonna go ahead and take the red cap off. This one I did all the precision glue gels already, and then just this one we need it. So I'm go ahead and do a little exam. So I haven't squeezed anything out yet, but if you feel like scratchy right here, and then you're gonna squeeze it that much, just a little bit. A little go a long way. You don't want to do like a lot to flood your crystals. I'm gonna go ahead and seal all the beads and a frame, but not on the top of the crystal. Cover all the frame to prevent from getting tarnished, because washing your hands, you know, and do a lot of cleanings, hand sanitizers is definitely gonna make it like really tarnished really fast. So to seal them, it protect not only to keep them nice looking nice longer, also prevent them from catching on any clothes or hair, and anything that you are doing is normal activity. So you can see that I seal completely on the beads and the metal beads and the frame. But I go around with the crystal. I'm not like seal completely crystal, because I don't want to destroy all the shiny and the sparkle and the fuzzes, you know, the faces of it. So I'm going to go around with the crystal, but then we're all sealing on the top of the frame. Go around with the crystal. And seal on the edges, on the edges, on the edges. Again with this beauty. Go around with the crystal and seal on the top of the frame. Do a little exam first. And if you feel scratchy, you're going to squeeze it in. So I'm going to go ahead and keep, just in case you need more than just one time, you feel like after you squeeze it and you still feel like it's still scratchy, and then you'll go ahead and do it again. But make sure you are going to flash cure it first before you repeat it. But this, I'm going to go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. It looks so cute and beauty. I'm using this precision glue gels.